salad is the perfect topping or filling for any kind of bread or roll. It's creamy and decadent, but it's also incredibly simple to make and can even stand alone as a delicious salad. It's the alternating creaminess and crunch that makes this such a delight, and it's as simple as boiling your perfect egg and then whipping up a delicious creamy dressing while we wait. So, we boil our eggs for 7 minutes, and in the meantime, mix together 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a pinch of sugar, a squeeze of lemon juice, ooh, yes, and a scattering of salt and pepper, and then mix it all together. Once your eggs are cooked, take them straight out of the hot water, crack the shells all over, and place them into an iced water bath. This will help the shells peel right off. Oh yes, look at that! In our salad bowl, we add some finely chopped celery for crunch, a whole lot of fresh herbs, including parsley, dill, chives, some onion, and a little bit of lemon rind. And then it is time to add our chopped up, perfectly boiled eggs. So in they go. And next, we're going to add in our lovely creamy dressing and gently fold it through. Pile it all into a soft and fluffy bread roll for an egg salad delight. And it will be a crowd pleaser every time. When you bite into it, you will remember why.